Let's get it, let's go. If you tired of all the bullshit, you gotta look in the mirror and actually tell yourself, I'm through. I'm through bullshit. I'm through half step. I'm through trying to take this shit the easy way. You know what I'm saying? I'm through looking for the shortcuts. You gotta tell yourself this every day. You know what I'm saying? Stop looking for the shortcuts. Stop trying to take this shit half step. You know what I'm saying? Stop trying to take this shit the easy way. A lot of people may get stuck because they're looking for the easy way out. They looking for shortcuts, you know what I'm saying? They trying to be 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Look, you gonna stay your ass where you at and you gonna get left behind. You gotta go all in for the life that you want, you know what I'm saying? You gotta go all in for everything that you wanna do in life. You have to go all in. No more excuses. Get rid of all your excuses, man. Look, at the end of the day, it's always gonna be fuck your excuses, you know what I'm saying? Nobody wants to deal with anybody with excuses. Nobody wants to be around anybody with any excuses, man, because that shit is negative energy. It's demonic. You know what I'm saying? Excuses are demonic. So get rid of them, you know what I'm saying? That's the devil trying to get you to drift. So you gotta stop drifting through life. A lot of people may blame this on this person, blame this on that person because they're not at where they wanna be in life. It's not their fault, it's your fault, you know what I'm saying? Because you're not taking action. You're not taking responsibility of your actions. You're not being accountable, you know what I'm saying? You're not managing your own time. You wanna waste your time, you know what I'm saying? While the successful person use their time wisely. They use their time, their money, their energy, and their resources wisely. While you want to go fuck off your time and you expect somebody to give you something, you know what I'm saying? It don't work like that. You gonna always be where you at in life. You will never get ahead with that mindset. So you gotta wake up every day hungry, with a hungry mindset, you know what I'm saying? Hunger for the dreams, hunger for your life, you know what I'm saying? Hunger for everything you want. You gotta get out there and go get it. Look, it's not gonna be easy. Whoever said this shit is gonna be easy, they lied to you now. It's not gonna be easy. It doesn't supposed to be easy. You want this shit hard every day. You wanna go through hard shit every day. You know what I'm saying? And be happy as fuck about it. Yeah, be happy as fuck about going through hard things every day. You know, that's what gonna build your character, you know what I'm saying? Adversity builds character. Adversity builds character. So look, wake up every day with a hunger mindset. Stop looking for people to give you shit. You gotta get out here and go take what's yours. Get out here and go take what's yours. Stop looking for a handout. You know what I'm saying? Stop looking for assistance. If you're not gonna pay for it, don't look for it. You know what I'm saying? If you're not gonna pay for it, don't look for it. Simple and plain. You know what I'm saying? If you're not gonna pay for it, don't look for it. Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Because nobody's gonna give you nothing that they work hard for, that they spent their time on, that they spent their energy on. Nobody gonna give you nothing, man, because why? You can wake up and do the same thing, if not more than they did. You know what I'm saying? So if you want success, go get it. If you want failure, stay where you at. Stay where you at and keep accepting it. You know what I'm saying? Keep getting punched in the face. Keep shooting yourself in your own foot. Keep shooting your own self. You know what I'm saying? That's what a lot of people do every day. They shoot their own self in their own foot. You gotta make the decision. You gotta wisen up. You know what I'm saying? Go learn something. Go work on your health. You know what I'm saying? Eat better food. Have a clean diet. Have a better mindset. And you can't lose your health, your wealth. If you focus on those two categories right there, you don't never have to worry about anything, you know what I'm saying? You'll always be full of abundance, full of prosperity, full of wealth, you know what I'm saying? Full of health. You're just gonna have the energy to fucking thrive every day. Yeah, you're gonna have the energy to thrive. Yeah, man, look, it's Raheem Javon. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If not, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. If you want to share this with a friend, with a family member, please do so by sharing it. You know what I'm saying? If this message resonated with you, let me know. Let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Show your boy some love, Raheem Javon. You know what I'm saying? You got to show love to get love. You know what I'm saying? You got to show love to get love.